Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Friday, August 2nd. Well, you can hear the unemployment data just came out. Got a lot of action behind us, but let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday was records, and more records all across the board. We are up 1% in the stocks, new highs, all-time highs in the E-mini S&P finished up 1,700 points, up 20 on the session. 1703 and 3/4 was the high in the futures contracts. Dow was up 117, 15,550, and the Nasdaq added 30 points at 3113. The dollar index had a big bounce from the ECB meeting. 82.43 was the close, up 89 after making 6-week lows here recently. The euro backed off 132.16, holding that 132 level, but it was down 123 on the day. Bonds, big sell-off, down 2 full basis points, $2,000 per contract. 132.01 made new lows here. These are new extreme lows over the last year and a half, taking out that low from July 7th. Crude oil was up 286 yesterday, 107.89, had a high at 108. Again, 108.93 is the high here for the last year and a half that was made a couple weeks ago. Gold was steady, down $2 at 13.11. Low was 13.07, so it's getting very quiet in that gold market, looking to see if it can hold that 1300 support. So after the unemployment data here this morning, where did the market stand? Well, we came in lower than expectations on the jobs, adding 165. Market was expecting 185. So we're steady right now as we stand right now. 1703, up 3 points in the S&P futures, up 10 in the Dow futures, 15,560, and up 9 points in the Nasdaq at 3121. We've seen more impact in some of the other markets. We're seeing the dollar back down to 82 once again. The euro's up 53 points at 132.69, and bonds are up a point, having a big bounce off that support at 132. We're at 133.05 right now. Crude oil's down 60 cents at 107.30. Again, 108.93 is the high that we want to keep an eye on as resistance. And gold has had really good action here. It was down $25 before the number, but with the dollar selling back off again, we're at 1302, down 9. Again, watch 1300. That was the breakout point. Watch that on a closing weekly basis to see if that support holds. So to wrap up the current action, with about an hour to go before the stock market opened, because the unemployment number has just come out, the S&P right now is steady, and we've got the Dow futures up 10 points as we stand. I will see you early Monday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.